Cristiano Ronaldo's journey from a small town in Madeira to becoming one of the greatest footballers in history is a story of passion, hard work, and relentless determination. Here's a detailed account of his life from childhood to his current position as a football legend. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. He was the youngest of 4 children in a working-class family. His parents, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro, a cook, and José Dinis Aveiro, a municipal gardener, worked tirelessly to support their family, but their financial situation was not easy. Ronaldo grew up in a modest home, and his family faced numerous challenges. His father struggled with alcoholism, which added to the strain of family life. Ronaldo's mother, however, was always very supportive, and her determination to see her children succeed motivated him throughout his early years. Ronaldo had a passion for football from a very young age. He was always playing with a ball, whether it was in the streets or with his siblings. His talent was evident, and by the age of 8, he joined Andorinha, a local football club. His father, who worked as a kit man for a local team, would take him to training sessions. It was clear that Ronaldo had a natural gift for the game, and his dreams of playing professionally began to take shape. At the age of 11, Ronaldo's exceptional talent was noticed by scouts, and he was offered a chance to join the famous Sporting CP Academy in Lisbon, Portugal. Moving to Lisbon was a big decision for the young Ronaldo, as it meant leaving his family and home behind. But his mother, despite the emotional difficulty, supported his move, knowing that it was a chance for him to chase his dreams. At Sporting CP, Ronaldo faced several challenges. Not only did he have to adjust to a new life away from home, but he also had to prove himself in an academy full of talented young players. Ronaldo's work ethic was extraordinary, and he quickly made a name for himself, rising through the ranks of the academy. His impressive performances caught the attention of many, and by the age of 16, he made his debut for Sporting CP's first team in 2002. In 2003, at just 18 years old, Ronaldo received the opportunity of a lifetime. During a pre-season match between Sporting CP and Manchester United, Ronaldo's performance impressed United's legendary manager Sir Alex Ferguson. After the match, Ferguson was eager to sign him, recognizing Ronaldo's raw talent and potential. Ronaldo's transfer to Manchester United was completed for a fee of £12.24 million, a record for a teenager at that time. Initially, the transition to English football wasn't easy for Ronaldo. He was young and had to adjust to a faster, more physical style of play in the Premier League. However, his dedication and willingness to learn were evident, and he quickly began to make an impact. In his first season at United, 2003 to 2004, Ronaldo showcased flashes of brilliance, but it was during his second season that he truly began to flourish. Under the guidance of Sir Alex Ferguson, Ronaldo's skill, pace, and confidence grew. By the 2006 to 2007 season, he was one of the best players in the world. His incredible dribbling, free kick ability, and knack for scoring goals made him a fan favorite. Ronaldo's hard work began to pay off in the 2007 to 2008 season when he helped Manchester United win the Premier League and the UEFA Champions League. He finished the season with 42 goals, making him the club's top scorer, and earned the prestigious Ballon d'Or award in 2008, recognizing him as the best footballer in the world. Over the next few years, Ronaldo continued to dominate in both domestic and international football. He helped Manchester United win another Premier League title in 2009, and his performances earned him the admiration of fans and football experts around the globe. In 2009, Ronaldo made a historic move to Real Madrid for a then-world record transfer fee of €94 million. The move to Madrid marked the beginning of a new chapter in Ronaldo's career, where he would go on to break numerous records. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo became the centerpiece of the team and helped guide the club to incredible success. His goal-scoring ability was unparalleled, and he quickly became the club's all-time top scorer. During his time at Madrid, Ronaldo won 4 Champions League titles, 2014, 2016, 2017, and 2018, and 2 La Liga titles. His individual achievements continued to mount, as he won 5 Ballon d'Or awards and became known for his iconic hat tricks, free kicks, and extraordinary athleticism. Ronaldo's rivalry with Lionel Messi of Barcelona defined an era of football. The two players pushed each other to new heights, constantly striving to outdo one another in terms of goals, assists, and performances. In 2018, at the age of 33, Ronaldo made another bold decision, leaving Real Madrid to join Juventus for €100 million. At Juventus, Ronaldo continued to defy expectations, maintaining his incredible level of performance and helping the team win multiple Serie A titles. Despite facing a more competitive league, Ronaldo's physical attributes, sharp mind, and leadership qualities allowed him to adapt to the Italian game. His presence at Juventus helped elevate the team's stature, both in Italy and across Europe. In 2021, Ronaldo made an emotional return to Manchester United, bringing him back to the club where he had achieved so much. His second stint at United saw him continuing to perform at the highest level, scoring crucial goals and inspiring the next generation of players. Ronaldo has also had a significant impact on Portugal's national team. He made his debut for Portugal in 2003, and over the years, he became the team's leader. He led Portugal to victory in the 2016 UEFA European Championship and the 2019 UEFA Nations League, marking 2 of the biggest achievements in the country's football history. Ronaldo is also the top scorer in the history of the UEFA European Championship and holds the record for the most goals scored in international football. Off the field, Ronaldo is known for his philanthropy and business ventures. He has invested in hotels, gyms, and his own brand, CR7. He is also one of the most marketable athletes in the world, with sponsorships from companies like Nike, Clear, and others. Ronaldo's influence extends beyond football, as he is often considered a global ambassador for sports and fitness. Ronaldo's family life is equally important to him. He has several children and is known for his strong relationship with his mother and siblings. Despite his fame and fortune, he remains grounded and dedicated to his family. As of now, Ronaldo's career continues to inspire millions of young footballers worldwide. He is often regarded as one of the greatest players of all time, alongside other legends like Pelé, Diego Maradona, and Messi. His incredible journey from a poor boy in Madeira to one of the most successful and recognizable athletes in the world is a testament to his relentless determination, hard work, and love for the game. Whether on the field or off, Cristiano Ronaldo's story is a symbol of excellence and perseverance.